Hello everyone, welcome to my video on 3 surefire tips for investing in cryptocurrency. In this video, I will be sharing with you some important advice on how to make smart investments in the world of crypto. Tip number 1, do your research. Before you invest in any cryptocurrency, it's important to do your due diligence and research the different options available. Make sure you understand the technology behind the cryptocurrency, the team behind the project, and the overall market conditions. This will help you make a more informed decision about where to invest your money. Tip number 2, diversify your portfolio. One of the most important things to remember when investing in cryptocurrency is to diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different types of cryptocurrencies and different platforms. This will help reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Tip number 3, be patient. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a volatile market, so it's important to be patient and not get caught up in the hype. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always be prepared for the possibility of a market downturn. By staying patient and disciplined, you will be better equipped to ride out any market fluctuations and come out ahead in the long run. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to make money, but it's important to approach it with caution. By doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and being patient, you can increase your chances of success and make smart investments in the world of crypto. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your investments.